In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Acuity Full 2025 Guide. First, let's start by visiting the website acuityscheduling.com. This is your go-to destination for setting up and managing appointments seamlessly. Once you're on the homepage, locate the Login button, which is usually at the top right corner. Clicking this will direct you to the login page. Now enter your login credentials, your email, and password. If you don't have an account yet, make sure you sign up first to access all features. Once logged in, the first thing you'll want to do is set up your availability. This step is crucial as it tells your clients when you are open for appointments. Navigate to the availability settings where you can specify the days and times you are available. Be as detailed as possible to avoid any scheduling conflicts. With your availability set, it's time to create appointment types. Head over to the appointments section and click on appointment types. Here you can add various appointments that you offer. Be descriptive in naming them and don't forget to set the duration and any special instructions or requirements your clients may need to know. Next, let's move on to customizing your booking page. A well-designed booking page can enhance user experience significantly. So spend some time choosing the right themes and layouts that align with your brand. Customize colors, fonts, and images to make your page appealing and user-friendly. Once your booking page is ready, you'll want to share your booking link with your clients. This can be done easily by copying the link from your Acuity account and sharing it via email or social media platforms. It's a convenient way for clients to access your schedule and make appointments. Managing appointments is a breeze with Acuity. You can view upcoming appointments, reschedule, or cancel them as needed. Digital reminders and follow-ups can be set up to keep both you and your clients informed and remind them of the upcoming bookings. If you want to take it a step further, you can set up payments to allow clients to pay for their appointments online. This feature is optional but can be a great way to streamline the process further, giving your clients the convenience to pay when they book. Last but not least, automate notifications to ensure both you and your clients are kept up to date. In Acuity, you can enable email or SMS notifications that send automatic reminders before an appointment, reducing no-show rates and maintaining a smooth workflow. By following these steps, you'll have a fully functional Acuity scheduling setup tailored to your needs. Now, go ahead and explore these features to optimize your appointment management process.